This is Cars 4. The movie.
That Emerson made, huh?
Yeah.
Oh no, battery low.
Yes, and no, it's plugged in like electric
Yeah,
guitar.
I don't think it's plugged in properly. That's the problem. There you go.
Oh,
it's Ramon.
Oh, he changed small.
colors and he changed into a smaller car. Oh no, what's the sheriff doing? Oh no, he crashed. Oh my goodness, you put together all this by yourself?
Yeah.
Wow, this is amazing.
Chickix shrunk.
You're supposed to voice act it out. Uh-oh, what's going on? There's nothing else. Oh, is that the end?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. Good job. Wow. You're amazing. Wait.
I want to create a new project.
Wait, didn't you want to save it? Oh, well, it's okay. I recorded it. Oh, well.
I wanted to.
All right.